Hi, this is me again. This is a blog about my neighborhood. I start to say I rented a apartment with two friends. It is on fourth floor. It's small and it has three rooms, two bedrooms, a dining room, a little chicken. From the building, there are a bakery. I don't like bike there because the bread doesn't have a good taste. Crossing the corner, there are a grocery store. Next to, you can find a restaurant. Two streets forward of them, there is a main avenue. I call it the 22. I take this avenue when I go work. The neighborhood is quiet. There is no traffic. Around the building, there are so many trees, and you can breathe fresh air all the time. There is a park near to the avenue. Sometimes I go to exercising. There are so many people that come too. Also, in my neighborhood, you can find a supermarket, and five streets behind the supermarket, there is a university called Sena. From this university, there is a shopping center where you can buy almost everything. I just say I like so much my neighborhood. I can find everything I need. The most important thing is that I live so close to my work. That's all. Bye. Thank you.